Campbell family has lived in their Coral Springs home for the last 7 years and are in the market for some upgrades. The experts from BnT install impact glass windows and are about to provide peace of mind for hurricane seasons to come. Take a look. 40% of all U.S. hurricanes make landfall right here in Florida. Protecting your home from the high gust winds takes priority for citizens during hurricane season. One of the most important aspects to consider for preparation are your windows.
The biggest reason why people in South Florida replace their windows is for hurricane protection. But as an equivalent, I would recommend doing it for security.
After a fresh coat of paint, new windows are up next on the Campbell's to-do list.
We've been here for almost 7 years. We absolutely love the community, and we have 3 children and a grandson. There was really 3 reasons that we wanted new windows. One was Hurricane Irma last year really kind of was a wake-up call for us in terms of we didn't have any shutters, and the windows were not hurricane windows, and it was, scary. Aesthetically, the windows also have these kind of white lines that run through that make them very busy looking. So aesthetically, we thought it would be nice to have new windows, and also for security reasons.
And everyone just seems much more secure now, knowing that hurricane season we're in the thick of it right now, and we probably won't have anything to worry about this year. So it's really nice feeling. Hey, Chris.
Hey, Kelly, how you doing?
Good. How you doing?
Hey, Chris, how you doing? What's up? How you been?
Hey, good to see you, man. Come on in.
Come on in.
When you research doing your impact windows and doors for your home, there's a lot of options out there. We've had the pleasure of dealing with multiple companies, and in our experience, PGT is bar none the best. PGT is a Florida-made company. So when you buy your windows, make sure they're made in Florida for Florida. And having PGT to back you is just one step better.
Doug and Kelly wasted no time to get the project in motion, and the folks from BnT did not disappoint.
In terms of, finding the right company, we did some research and just kind of looked online. Started there just like anything. And we really wanted to find a company with a good reputation. So we got multiple bids, and their bid was the best bid in terms of, the pricing that we got from them. And the reputation was stellar.
Doug and Kelly decided to go with a low-E product. We call it Solar Band 70. It's the best option to protect your home from the elements. I compare it to a suntan lotion. It lets all the natural light in, but it keeps all the harmful rays out. And it does wonders for your electric bill and keeping your house cool. We're in the middle of hurricane season, and Doug and Kelly are not going to have to worry about putting up hurricane shutters or the aches and pains of getting prepared. So it's a good feeling to get them done just in the nick of time, just in case we do have an eventful storm that rolls right through Broward County.
How are you?
I'm fantastic. How was your weekend?
It was great.
Really good, yeah.
Was it cooler?
The house
It was
inside,
cooler.
yeah.
We're so excited. I mean, you guys did an amazing job. We can already feel the difference and see the difference.
Yeah, it looks incredible.
Amazing.
So what do you think of the design change of doing just one window?
I love it. I think it looks amazing. It's so much cleaner and brighter, and yeah, it's perfect. I'm really pleased.
We've noticed also a big difference in the sound in the house. A lot of our doors were kind of clunky. They didn't work great. I mean, they're so clean. They close nice. They're sturdy.
Really nice.
They're really well done.
Oh, I'm glad we went with that garage door over there.
I know. Well,
the best.
it's so great because I didn't realize that they made the doors with kind of the fog tint.
Oh, yeah.
Like frosted.
And that option was at the very end. Then someone told me, I said, yeah, absolutely. It makes sense. People not looking in the garage for security reasons.
And not only that, you don't need to put blinds or anything on it. It's just already done. I love that. That front window was my favorite. I was so excited to see what it was going to look like.
Right.
And it came out even better than I thought. So,
Yeah, that window, the dining room window, came out exactly as I hoped.
yeah, it's gorgeous. It's way better than I even expected it to look.
Well, the windows really made this home come to life. And with Impact Windows, Doug and Kelly have one less thing to worry about come hurricane season.
You guys coming over and doing the windows, I mean, you guys did such an amazing job. We're so happy with the windows.
Yeah, everything came even better than I imagined.
It really did.
It's great.